Welcome back to the Steps to Wealth channel, where we're all about empowering you with the knowledge and strategies to achieve financial freedom. Today we have an exciting topic lined up: how to invest in dividend-paying stocks and potentially wave goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind forever. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into this journey towards passive income and early retirement. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What exactly are dividend-paying stocks? Well, they're shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly and can provide a steady stream of income, making them an attractive option for investors seeking passive income. Now, let's talk about why dividend investing can be a game-changer for your financial future. Firstly, dividends provide a reliable source of income regardless of market fluctuations. Second, dividend-paying stocks often come from established, financially stable companies with a track record of profitability. And third, reinvesting dividends through dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, can supercharge your returns over time. Host: So, how do you go about building your dividend portfolio? It all starts with research. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments, strong cash flow, and a sustainable dividend payout ratio. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors to minimize risk, and consider blue-chip stocks for stability. When evaluating dividend-paying stocks, there are several key metrics to consider. These include the dividend yield, dividend growth rate, payout ratio, and the company's overall financial health. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify stocks that offer attractive income potential while mitigating risk. Host: Now, let's talk about the magic of dividend reinvestment. Instead of pocketing your dividend payouts, consider reinvesting them back into the same stock or other dividend-paying stocks through DRIPs. Over time, this compounding effect can significantly boost your investment returns and accelerate the growth of your portfolio. Before diving headfirst into dividend investing, it's essential to understand the tax implications. Dividends are typically taxed at a lower rate than ordinary income, making them an attractive option for investors. However, it's crucial to be aware of any tax obligations associated with your dividend income and plan accordingly. To set yourself up for long-term success in dividend investing, it's essential to adopt a few key strategies. Firstly, maintain a long-term perspective and resist the temptation to chase short-term gains. Secondly, regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. And finally, stay informed about market trends and company performance to make informed decisions. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples of successful dividend investors who have achieved financial freedom through their investment strategies. From legendary investors like Warren Buffett to everyday individuals who have diligently built their dividend portfolios, these stories serve as inspiration for anyone embarking on the journey towards passive income. Challenges: market volatility, economic downturns, and changes in interest rates can all impact dividend stocks. However, by staying diversified, maintaining a long-term perspective, and focusing on high-quality companies, you can weather these challenges and emerge stronger in the end. So, what does the road to financial freedom look like through dividend investing? It's a journey of patience, discipline, and strategic decision-making. By building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, reinvesting your dividends, and staying committed to your long-term goals, you can create a passive income stream that supports your desired lifestyle without having to rely on traditional employment. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and strategies to invest in dividend-paying stocks, it's time to take action. Start by conducting thorough research, identifying high-quality dividend stocks, and building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, so take that step today towards financial freedom. Once you've built your dividend portfolio, the journey doesn't end there. It's crucial to continuously monitor and adjust your portfolio as needed. Keep track of company performance, dividend announcements, and changes in market conditions. By staying proactive, you can capitalize on opportunities and navigate challenges effectively. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to dividend investing, consider dividend exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. These investment vehicles offer diversification across a basket of dividend-paying stocks, making them a convenient option for investors seeking exposure to dividends without the hassle of individual stock selection. Dividend reinvestment isn't just about boosting your investment returns. It's also a powerful wealth accumulation strategy. By consistently reinvesting your dividends over time, you can harness the power of compounding to grow your portfolio exponentially. Remember, every reinvested dividend contributes to your future financial security. Diversifying your income sources is a key principle of financial independence. In addition to dividend-paying stocks, consider exploring other avenues for generating passive income, such as rental properties, peer-to-peer lending, or creating digital products. Building multiple income streams can provide a greater financial security and resilience. While dividend-paying stocks offer attractive income potential, it's essential to manage risk effectively. Maintain a balanced asset allocation that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to defensive assets like bonds or cash to cushion against market volatility. Finally, remember that the journey towards financial freedom is as much about the process as it is about the destination. Embrace the ups and downs, celebrate your successes, and learn from your setbacks. By staying committed to your goals and continuously educating yourself, you'll be well equipped to navigate the twists and turns of the investment landscape. Before we conclude, let's open the floor for an interactive Q&A session. If you have any questions about dividend investing, financial independence, or any other related topics, feel free to ask. Your engagement is what makes our community thrive. If you enjoyed today's discussion on how to invest in dividend-paying stocks and achieve financial independence, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Together, we'll continue on the path towards financial empowerment and success. Slide 21. Implementing a systematic approach. To effectively manage your dividend portfolio, consider implementing a systematic approach. This could involve setting specific investment criteria, such as minimum dividend yield or payout ratio, and regularly reviewing your holdings to ensure they meet your standards. By sticking to a disciplined investment strategy, you can increase the likelihood of long-term success. Flexibility and adaptability are essential traits for successful investors. Market conditions and economic environments can change rapidly, so it's crucial to remain open to adjusting your strategy when necessary. Be willing to reevaluate your portfolio, explore new opportunities, and pivot as needed to stay aligned with your financial goals. In today's digital age, there's no shortage of technology and tools available to assist investors. From online brokerage platforms to portfolio management software and investment research resources, leverage technology to streamline your investment process and make informed decisions. Embrace innovation as a way to enhance your investment journey. Finally, remember that achieving financial independence is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. By adopting a positive outlook and believing in your ability to succeed, you'll attract opportunities and abundance into your life. As we conclude our discussion on investing in dividend-paying stocks and achieving financial independence, I encourage you to take action on the insights and strategies shared today. Embrace change, stay committed to your goals, and take proactive steps toward building the life of your dreams. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Our journey towards financial independence doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Join our vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial freedom and empowering each other along the way. As we wrap up today's discussion on how to invest in dividend-paying stocks and potentially wave goodbye to the 9-to-5 grin forever, I want to thank you for joining us. Remember, achieving financial freedom is possible with the right mindset, strategy, and perseverance.